Salvatore,
Hey,
what happens if the queen dies?
they make a new one.
They make a new queen?
They make a new one.
They make a new queen. How they make a queen?
Like that whole election.
It's like a democracy?
No election. No election.
No elections?
They make a new one from a tiny, tiny egg.
They make a new one from a tiny egg.
What they do, they make more than one. They feed their royal jelly. Only the queen is fed royal jelly. It's something they make. And she becomes bigger. When she comes out, she waits 5 days to become sexually active.
Damn.
Then she goes out.
Wait, she's
Then
on the
goes
5th day?
out, And she meets
Fifth day is-
boys.
Bro,
She loves
you meet
more than
girls
one
all the
boy.
time and you on the 5th day, bro. Stop.
She goes out after 5 days. She becomes sexually active. She goes out. She meets with the boys.
That's what they do when they want you to have
More
a
than one
relationship.
boy. They have a. I call it a gangbang. That's what I call it.
Wait, she gets. Wait, hold on, wait. The queen gets gangbanged?
Yo, how's
The
she a
queen
queen?
gets gangbanged?
Yo, how's she a
They
queen?
already fucking the guy.
Bro,
And
how's
the
she a
boys
queen?
only
They
live
fucking-
once.
they gangbanging the
Once
queen,
it's
bro.
done
That's
it,
not okay.
it's gone. It dies.
What? After the beat? After the,
Once he's mated with the queen, he dies.
whoa, they risked their life for that?
So he can't go run his mouth like, I fucked the queen, man.
Oh, I didn't know that. So the male bees fuck and then they die.
They're called drones. That's what they
Drones?
call.
Getting tested? No.
That's
I'll show you a
That's not
drone.
after 5 days. If she fucking after 5 days,
5 days. You feel me?
but that's why you can't trust these.
You can't. Yeah, you really can't. You really can't trust them. You can't trust these.
Bro, you only been out here 5 days, and this how you act.
And that's how you act. That's what I'm saying.
This how you acting though. 5 days. Word, bro. 5 days, y'all already fucking got-
Yeah, we ain't got no suit on. Isn't that so crazy? So the queen bee gets born. Soon as she starts getting fed that royal honey,
After 5 days,
5
she
days she
start
gets fucked.
by multiple niggas.
But she gets gangbanged though,
Most-
because as a human being though, you get shamed if you get gang. If they want to train on you, because that's what that is.
Yeah.
The queen gets a train ran on her. Feel me? That's embarrassing as a
And like, bro, why the fuck? That's like, boom, perfect. That's like a bitch
right.
running for the United States of America, right? Listen, president. Hit me out, gang. Let me finish, gang. Oh, look. A bitch running for president, right? But she posts a link to her OnlyFans, right? On Twitter. And niggas is killing her shit. 3, 4 niggas. And now we praising this bitch. Now we elect her as the president of the United States. No, bro. That's dick riding, bro. I swear.
Bro, I've come to the conclusion that
All right.
majority of
Been stuck.
huh?
You've been stuck.
No, he just said something crazy. It made me laugh.